We were asked last week, why do we travel with Mila when she's so young and she's not going to remember any of it?
So in this video we're going to show you why we travel with Mila and why we think you should travel with your kids too. We travel with her for so many more reasons than just to tick off the countries we've seen with her. It's about the everyday moments as much as the memories. We're blessed with children all to ourselves for such a short period of time, and we personally want to create a life where we get to spend as many of those early years with Mila as possible.
The reason why we're pursuing a life on our own terms, with our own business and with each other, is to essentially spend every day with Mila.
We travel because we love to. We want to expose Mila to a mix of different cultures and different people.
We want her to be confident, creative, playful and open-minded.
We don't travel just for the right to be able to say you've been there when she's older. We travel to share in her development years, to be there when she asks questions of the world, and to guide her when she's unsure of the world.
To show her there's no one way of living, that it's her life to live her way. Travelling with Mila is so much more than just visiting places with her. It's about moulding her future.
So when people ask us why we travel with Mila, we simply show them this.